Hi, thanks for viewing our Renault. This car here has a one-owner vehicle with full service history, does have the LED headlights and heated and cooled seats. Finished in stunning black, you do get some fantastic features like heated and cooled seats, satellite navigation, reverse camera. The Pamo roof looks absolutely fantastic, goes all the way to the back. You do get twin rear USB plugs, moonlighting through in and out, and you also get electric tailgate. This car is in stunning condition inside and out. The black and the light trim really go well together. We have priced this vehicle to be one of the best on the market, and we look forward to your inquiry on our car. We can arrange finance as well, and we do have some fantastic trade-in options as well. So we look forward to speaking to you soon. Feel free to pop an inquiry in and we can answer any questions that you may have.